say I'm evil cause I train my ego to see gold. See no seagulls, couldn't see these goals, please. It's the return of the Beast Coast. No cash flash, but the cheese still make teeth show. Incognito, it's how you move on the strip. What you tryna be, Vito? Well, there's rules to this shit, don't get clapped. That ain't real spitters, y'all lips chap. You better watch, Mr. Nice Watch, don't risk that. I got a 6-pack of beer skill that I spill like that. And everybody knows that shit crap. Y'all niggas so spoken, down below choking. The type to drop the soap when you soaking in front of most men. It makes sense why you want beef with this frozen. It's nuts for you, schooled in the tool. The kid hold 'em, better shoot yourself, Plaxico. Because I'm next to go, the progressive flows from New York to New Mexico. My lyrical Spanish, what the fans is demanding. Step into my box and that's exactly what you standing. Ain't no half stepping around me. And you gotta drown the fish before you clown me. The young cop killer, I'm that ill, so Doc Will give me 2 shots for Tupac killer, nigga.
So searching till my flows are perfect. I ain't trying to be a slave to grow old from working. Sorry, badass, you lucky that I peeped this second. Tell them niggas keep it stepping with they beat selection. Check the melodies, it's so heavenly. That shit to get your hips to move with no 70s. Or the opium, can I bust soliloquies? Got that shit mixed and mastered, both remedies. Grab a spoonful, we stirring up a pot. And you know we gotta serve it while it's hot. I'm flowing like a volcano with dripping verses off the top. Dirty cops still swerving on the block. Looking for black kids that's spitting up acid. It's in my jeans, so don't worry with my pants.